Little yard equipment maintenance here. Got an issue with this mower this morning. We're going to do a little something different today because this stuff needs to get done too. No throttle control. It's just wide open. And everything's hooked up. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. But luckily for me, my next door neighbor is nice enough to let us borrow his mower, because otherwise, I don't know if you guys know what it's like, but if you don't have a mower down here, you got big problems because you have to cut the grass at least once a week, because if you don't, oh, there's no shut off on this thing here. So that's why I got the hose crimped off with some vice grips. Of course, I brought the wrong rack. So I think the butterfly in the carburetor fell off. So I don't know anything about this carburetor here. All I know is I can't buy a new mower this week. So we'll see if we can get it fixed. Yep. I don't know if we have to take this cover off here first or not. Well, why would they have to put these two studs there? I don't know if we got to take this cover off of here to get to it or not. I don't know what holds it on. There's a lot of crap. We got bolts in here. Of course, we're Loctite it on, which probably need to have. You sound good, Sean?
Oh, getting over this cold flu or whatever I had.
Yeah, that's coming up soon. Another bolt back here. There's a screw. It's a bolt, I think. Maybe you don't have to take that top piece off. It's a bolt. Let's see. Looks like we have to finish taking that top cover off. It's hot. It seems to be separate from that other cover we're working on. Of course, I didn't bring a magnet. What's that?
So today we're at Bo's.
No car garage. All right. I'll go over there and take a look. These two bolts here. It's gotta come off. Maybe that's enough. Oh, there we go. How's that possible? The butterfly's right there. And it's all working. That looks like it right there. That's some sort of what does that do? I don't know. This thing here seems like it was stuck. It's probably the governor is what it is. I bet you need some carburetor cleaner. That's what we need. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's sticking. All right, I guess we need some carburetor cleaner. Carburetor clean, all sorts of cleaners.
The spring's not stuck on the rod, is it?
Well, the spring is hooked up everywhere it goes. Yeah, but still, it doesn't seem to move as easily as you would think. It feels like it's gummed up. All right, so pop this thing right off of here, and that rod goes there. It's getting better. There we go. Let's hold some more stuff in there. All right, that one's empty. That doesn't take a nozzle. And that one's empty. All right, so. Oh yeah, it works a lot better. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. I would call that good, right?
Yeah, it's a lot better than it was. Now it springs back like you expect it to.
That's perfect. All right, let's put it back together if we can. I want to start recognizing here. All right, so this can go on next, right?
Yeah, the cover's gonna go on.
Okay.
At that point, you'll hook everything up.
Yeah.
Make sure it works.
Yeah. Like 1,000% humidity in here.
Yeah, it is. No wind blowing.
Okay, these are properly torqued. Hook up the gas line. This is right here. Okay. All right, I think that should do it. I don't know if we need this in here or not. Here we go. Success. Success.
Need to be clean.
Yep. I guess we won't be buying a mower this week.
Cover back on.
Yep. I hope you guys that tuned in to watch this liked it. It's a little different than what we normally do, but the stuff's got to get done too. So if you enjoy this channel, please subscribe, watch, and ring the bell so you get more notifications. All right. And that's enough for today.